What is up? What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I love some EDC flashlights. So Wuben reached out, sent over their G5 lights. I got two of them here to show you. One is in black and one is in army green. So these are really cool. These actually have RGB as well. They get pretty bright, and this head here also pivots, and you can clip it onto your hat for a headlamp. Those are all, well, it has more than enough as far as my requirements for being my everyday carry. So let's try this out. I've already been using it. I'll let you know what I like about it, and maybe you can check it out yourself. There's a couple of things I wish they would change, but this is the flashlight that I've been using. I put it on a keychain. It has to be on a keychain for myself. Set up right there so I could carry it on my keys. This, I believe, is the army green. I've been using the all black version, but if we get into it, I can show you guys. And it does come with a USB-C cable and the lanyard. Doesn't go with the uniform, but this is nice. So that's the army green. I think that's a great color. I don't know which one I want to use. I guess we'll just show you here. I don't think I have to do anything crazy. So these are the flashlights. Trying to make sure that they get in focus there. That green is really nice, but this black one too, they feel very premium. You know, matte black. This one I've been using for a week. It doesn't really get too scuffed up or anything, and I've been hanging it on the keychain. So some of the key features here, you do have the button right here, so that is just an on and off button. I like that, and no holding or anything like that. And then there's also a dial here if you want to lower it, raise it. It goes up to 400 lumens, I believe. Now this section is the cool part. You can actually pivot this if you guys want to clip it on your shirt, clip it on your hat. You'll always get that, perfect angle. And it has a magnet on the other end to where you can actually mount it up in an AC unit or whatever is metal around you and point it, and again tilt that anyway. So that's been really cool. Also for hats, I have several, like this Nightcore one, but this one is a lot smaller and works really well, and I really enjoyed it. But the clip is like it's like a weird plastic. It's very durable, and it doesn't feel cheap, but I already broke that clip. I've already broken a couple. This one has a nice metal clip that is also adjustable. It hides on the side here, and then you pull it out and you can go this to the front, pull it again, and shift it over to the back. So no matter what you're gonna clip it to, whether it's a shirt pocket, a hat, your pant pocket, whatever it is, you can move it to either direction, and it works as a headlamp as far as a clip goes, right? You turn that on, you can point it down if you need to. That way it's not like you don't have to be like moving your hat or head around. You can actually tilt it. That's one of my favorite features on that one. It also has RGB. I don't know if I would ever use that, but I think if you double tap, you get some RGB different things there. Oh, that hurt. If you ever hold it, then you can cycle through the different RGBs, colors and all that. So if you guys need that, and then like if you double tap, it starts these blinking SOS. Go back to your light, double click that, and then you get a turbo mode. Yeah, I don't have the lumens, but basically you can dial it in with the dial and then go into turbo mode with a double click. The magnet is off to the side right here, and I've been able to have this and still mount it to panels, no big issue. The magnet is strong enough for that, and it works great. So I've been using it a lot in that case. The other thing would be this right here. Yeah, there's an indicator right there. In the middle is okay, shows a light. This is how you would lock it from doing anything. You can't turn it on or anything. And then if you go this all the way this way, that's for the battery to charge. So you can plug in your USB-C there. So there you can still turn it on. Here where it's supposed to lock in the middle, you can still turn it on. But once it goes to the lock position, that's to keep it from turning on in your pocket, anything like that. That is a little too loose for me. Now, has it been an issue? Not really. I've been able to use it at work all week and I really enjoy it. It's just every now and then, if I'm trying to turn it on and I can't get it to turn on, I got to remember to look at this little slider over here. So yeah, that is a metal clip. So these are $19.99. If you guys want to go, check them out. I think that's a pretty decent price for the build quality and, just having a dependable EDC light and adjustable. Like getting that perfect angle is really helpful. And I've noticed it very much using it as a headlamp. And that's about it. So pretty sleek, compact for what it is, little EDC light. Hopefully it'll last a good while. You can get up to 65 hours on a single charge. We'll see how that holds up. I don't see an indicator at all for the charge. That would be the only other thing, is if there's some sort of indicator, but it doesn't have one. So go check out these EDC Wuben, can't get used to saying that, Wuben G5 lights. I'll leave links down below. Appreciate them for letting me try them out and sending them over. So if you guys enjoyed the video, remember to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. See you guys. This is the Wuben. The Wuben, wow. The Wuben G5. That is so weird to say.